Hey. Hello. So today I will be going over Chapter 6 of Personal Health, maintaining a healthy weight. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start off talking about the obesity in America and why, and just the factors that go into it. America is full of obesogenic environments, which is like, a town that has a gas station and a McDonald's. That's like, how can someone not be obese by having a gas station and a McDonald's as their only food sources in the town? So that's something that represents an obesogenic environment. This contributes to 70.7% of U.S. adults that are actually considered overweight. And to be overweight, your body mass index, which I'll go into later, it needs to be between 25 to 29.9. So some factors that go into being obese or overweight is body type and genes. Everybody has a different body type or gene that can affect how big you are, how small you are. Excuse me. Next is metabolic rates. Everybody has a different kind of metabolism. Burns food faster. Then everyone has the same amount of fat cells, but fat cells are the only cell in the body that can actually grow to a unlimited. They can grow to unlimited amount. Like they can grow as big as they want, basically. So next we're going to talk about lifestyle and economical factors. Daily life can cause humans to become overweight. If you have a job that you're sitting all day, and you can't get up to go exercise, that will cause you to become overweight. And especially if you're eating healthy if you're eating unhealthy along with sitting all day, that's just two bad things that can contribute to being overweight. Another thing that can contribute to being overweight is the U.S. fast food industry. Every single town has a McDonald's or a Chick-fil-A or something like that promote unhealthy foods that we consume. And it's a quick, easy, and good tasting thing that we can consume that anyone can consume because of how cheap it is. Another factor that contributes to U.S. overweight is how our children are raised, or youth. They're not promoting good eating habits and exercise like they used to, or even if they ever have. Another thing that can contribute to it is the portion sizes that America has. They're extremely big. I know I went to Olive Garden and I got, I think, the chicken parmesan, and I could barely finish half the plate just because of how big it was. Meals nowadays are 2 meals for one person. So there's just some factors that go into why America is obese. So here's some negative effects on being overweight. It can cause long-term and short-term health issues. Mental health. It'll increase your depression. It can cause you to have anxiety disorders, and of course, internal health. It'll affect everything in your body. Here's some examples. The heart. You can have a risk of heart attack. Increased risk of sleep apnea. Bones and joints can become tight, and you can get arthritis, and even a higher risk of sexual dysfunction. You know, being overweight is just unhealthy in general. So what is BMI, body mass index, and energy balance? So body mass index is what is actually calculated from a person's weight and height. It can show future or present health problems. The calculation is actually BM equals weight divided by height squared. The only thing wrong with BMI is that it does not account for muscle weight. So like if someone's super strong and they have a lot of muscle, it does not take that into account. It only takes into account fat and how much you weigh. So calories are a measure that indicates energy gained from food and activity. You'll see calories on every nutritional fact on the back of any package. It'll show your calories, calorie intake. So 3,500 calories will actually equal 1 pound. And to lose weight, you have to basically, it's all about calories in, calories out. So you have to, if you want to lose pounds, you got to be able to hugely limit the amount of calories you have or consume in one day. And if you want to gain weight, you have to eat 3,500 calories for how many pounds you want. So managing weight and keys to success. Being consistent and maintaining a healthy diet is key when trying to lose weight or maintain that weight after you lose it. It's all about being consistent. You want to be able to get on a plan and stay on that plan, and then incorporate that plan into your lifestyle. You don't just want to lose that weight and then go back to your old eating habits. That's not gonna get it done. You go right back to where you were. Be mindful of what food you eat on a daily basis. Don't eat, if you have a choice to eat, an apple or a bag of chips, eat the apple, or bag of carrots or something. Choose the healthier option on a daily basis. When eating, stop before you become full. The brain actually takes 20 minutes to have that fullness feeling come into effect. And personally, I can relate to this on multiple occasions where I'm eating, and then I'll leave the restaurant and I'm just feeling terrible just because of how full I actually am. Another thing that can help manage your weight is exercise for at least 130 minutes daily. If you want to lose weight, if you want to manage weight or maintain weight, you need to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. That's not much. I exercise for, I don't even know how many minutes just because of all the sports I play, but once I stop playing these sports, I'm going to have to definitely I'm going to try to at least get an hour of exercise every single day. That's just something I strive to do. So here's some overall takeaways from this week. Just like anything we learn in this class, maintaining or managing your weight is a choice that we all make. We have that choice to eat right, exercise, and practice healthy activities to overall better ourselves. I think that's a key word in here is choice. It's our choice to have a healthy lifestyle, and if you want to live longer, make that choice. If you want to, obviously there's stuff you can't control, but the stuff you can control, make that choice to control them. So, and here are my references. So, thank you.